How often do we question our wellness? Are we truly at our healthiest, or are we just surviving? This question, striking though it may be, is one that many of us seldom consider. And yet wellness, the active pursuit of activities that lead to holistic health, is a vital concept that shouldn't be overlooked. In our daily lives we encounter numerous wellness challenges. Stress, for instance, is a common adversary. It lurks in the shadows of our bustling lives, often going unnoticed until it's too late. Then there's the persistent issue of lack of exercise. In a world that encourages convenience and comfort, finding the motivation to move can be a daunting task. And let's not forget about poor nutrition, a silent assailant that often disguises itself in the form of quick, easy meals. Let's take a moment to consider Jane, a hard-working mother of two. She juggles work, family, and personal commitments, all while neglecting her own health. Sound familiar? Wellness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes, not drastic ones. Change is possible. Let's explore some inspiring stories of individuals who transform their wellness. Consider the case of Mary, a corporate executive who was constantly under stress. Her health was on a downward spiral, and her lifestyle was far from balanced. She knew she needed a change. With a wellness plan tailored to her needs, Mary embarked on a journey of transformation. She faced hurdles, but her resilience saw her through. Today Mary enjoys a balanced life and has regained her health. Then there's John, a father of two, who was juggling work and family life. His sedentary lifestyle led to health issues. John decided to take control of his health. He integrated wellness practices into his daily routine. It wasn't easy, but John persisted. Today, he's healthier, more energetic, and enjoys quality time with his family. And let's not forget Sarah, a college student who struggled with anxiety. She sought help and learned about holistic wellness. Sarah started incorporating mindfulness exercises into her daily life. It was a slow process, but she stuck with it. Today, Sarah is more confident and has a better handle on her emotions. These are just a few examples of real-life wellness transformations. They show that change is not only possible but achievable. It's about making a commitment to yourself, believing in your ability to change, and persisting in the face of challenges. These stories remind us that transformation is possible regardless of our current wellness state. Welcome to Holistic Health, a channel dedicated to helping you achieve optimal wellness. This is a place where we believe in the power of holistic healing and health. We're here to guide you on your wellness journey, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your health. At Holistic Health, we bring you content that inspires and educates. Expect to find a wealth of tips for healthier living, from nutrition advice to exercise routines. We also share wellness challenges, designed to push you beyond your comfort zone and help you develop healthier habits. But we're not just about tips and challenges. We also share inspiring stories of transformation. Real people just like you, who have made profound changes to their health and well-being. These stories not only inspire, but they also provide real-world examples of what can be achieved with dedication and a holistic approach to health. Join us on this journey to wellness. Subscribe to Holistic Health and start transforming your health today. Ready to start your wellness journey? We're here to help. Embrace the wellness revolution by subscribing to the Holistic Health channel and immerse yourself in our regular wellness content. Don't keep this treasure to yourself. Share it. Let your friends, family, and the world join in this revolution. A single click on the like button can spread positivity and health far and wide. Remember, wellness is not a destination but a journey. Stay healthy, stay inspired. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.